guys, my name is Mary and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, hi. First of all, I have been lagging. I have not uploaded a video since like June, May, I don't know. But today, I'm excited. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am right now, or maybe you do because you're one of my 900 something Twitter followers, and I have been tweeting about this and won't shut the fuck up for a week now. But today I will be building my PC, and this is something I have been wanting to do for literally a year now. So these are my parts, like back here. I literally cannot tell you what's in these Amazon boxes, but I got most of my parts from Amazon, and the case and the peripherals I got from Best Buy, and then the motherboard I got from like this local like PC shop, because the one that I ordered from Amazon wasn't gonna come until like next week, and then the case that I ordered from Amazon was also delayed, so I was like, I'm not gonna wait like literally one more week. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then I'll tell you guys like what I got for my PC and go over all that. So here's a brief overview of everything. So I'm gonna start with my case. I have the NZXT H510, it's in black. And then here I just have some extension cables. They're not necessary, but I got them anyway. And then for my RAM, I have the Corsair Vengeance. It has 3200 megahertz, and then it has 16 gigabytes. And then here I have some fans, and I'm so excited because they're so cute, and they're blue and has LED lights, and I just feel like it's so like minimalistic and simple. And then here I have my power supply. It's the 600 bronze by EVGA. For my CPU, I got the Ryzen 5 2600, and for my storage, I got 500 gigabytes by WD Blue. And then moving on to my graphics card, I got the Gigabyte GTX 1660. Okay, so update, I got the motherboard in the PC. You can see like the RAM, CPU, the fan, the storage is in. And so yeah, I just gotta put on the rest. so update. I just put all my wires together on the extension cord, and then I installed the power supply, and then I'm about to change, or not change, but put on the fans for right here. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's literally like 4 in the morning, but here's an update. So I set up the monitor and then the PC, and then look, oh my gosh, like she's so pretty. And so now I'm gonna set up everything else, but yeah, I'm so proud. Yes, meow. So sorry, I have not slept. I'm gonna still set her up though. So this is what she looks like right now. Literally it's a mess because first of all it's 5 in the morning, and also I have not slept. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna set her up as best as I could without like falling asleep. But yeah, that's what she looks like, and I'm about to I'm so excited. Okay, period, bye. Hey guys, it's Mary. So it's been a while since I built my PC. That was like in September, and ever since then I made quite a bit of changes and added some new things to my setup. And so that's why on the second part I'm going to give you guys like a quick tour of like my whole setup and the things that I added to it. I know I've been lagging with uploading this video, but here I am. I'm trying. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tour. Hi guys, so here is a brief overview of what my setup looks like. So if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, then you probably already know what it looks like, but if you don't, then this is what it looks like. Starting off with my chair, I have the Downix gaming chair, and on top of that I have an Appa bucket hat made by my friend. And then over here I have my nano leaf lights, which is one of the newest additions that I made to my setup, and I got it like 2 weeks ago, and I got something else with that which I'll show you guys later. And then down here I have my monitor, if it would just focus. So this is my monitor. I got it from Costco. It's the LG HDR10 if I'm not mistaken, and my wallpaper is Oikawa from Hiiii. And then down here I have my JBL Flip 5 speaker. And also, side note, I don't have an actual speaker connected to my PC. I just use my headphones over there but this is only if like I want to listen to music from my phone. And then down here I have my mouse pad, my mouse, and my keyboard. So my keyboard is the Corsair K70. Yeah, I like it. And then my mouse is the Rival 600 from SteelSeries. My mouse pad is also by SteelSeries. So my mouse and my mouse pad, I actually can connect. Like I use the same app to control the lights, so like I can match them if I want to. But obviously my keyboard is a Corsair, so that is like a different application. So for my headphones, I have the Razer Kraken or Kraken. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. But I have the Mercury White version. And then onto the actual PC itself. So onto my actual PC. So if you can see Suga's face, that is actually my cooler. It's the NZXT Z63. So that's one of the newest additions that I made along with the nano leaf lights on my setup. And everything else is basically the same as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And here's just a brief overview. Same parts as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's just my cooler change. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys care about this part, but over here on this side I just have like my MacBook, my iPad, and then my lamp if I ever need it, which I hardly ever do, but you never know. I don't know, my dad got it for me. And then I have my watch, and then I just have like that plushie right there. My brother and I each have one. So yeah, I just keep it there. Okay, so that's pretty much it with the video and what I added to my setup. So basically the new things that I added were the nano leaf lights, the chair, and then the cooler. And hopefully this video encourages you guys to save money and build your own setup, or maybe